So what do you do when you're training for an Ironman event and you break your foot running in the dark? Not so smart to begin with. At this point, you do what you can do. So today, I'm going to swim 1.5 miles in the pool. Because I can't kick, I'm going to put the pool buoy between my legs to immobilize the foot and just use upper body only. And then later on, I'm going to get on the spin bike and pedal one-legged. I'll just put my foot in an air cast, put that on the bike frame, and then just click my good foot, clip it in, and just spin, spin, spin. You do what you can.